Today we will discuss aircraft types, starting with early hot air balloons up to modern sophisticated airplanes. By the end of this class, you will be able to identify the most relevant aircraft types, including also fixed-wing aircraft. In this class, we will show several aircraft types and we will start by the first aircraft inventions. On the left, we observe the first hot air balloon flight, which took place in Paris in 1783. This event marked humanity's first successful venture into the skies using a manned hot air balloon. The hot air balloon operated on the basic principle that heated air inside the balloon is less dense than the cooler air outside, which effectively lifts up the whole vehicle. This flight demonstrated that controlled ascent and descent were possible, and it captivated public imagination in the early days of the Industrial Revolution. On the right, we see the Gifford dirigible from 1852, the first powered and steerable airship. Invented by Henry Gifford, this dirigible was equipped with a steam engine driving a propeller, allowing it to be navigated through the air, a very significant leap from the hot air balloons. The Gifford dirigible represents this transition from simple hot air flight to more complex, controlled, powered flight, where direction and propulsion became integral aspects. These two aircraft types inspired future innovations in air transportation, moving from basic vertical lift to the ability to steer and navigate through the skies. Moving on now to modern aircraft. On the left, we see a helicopter, which is a type of rotary wing aircraft. Helicopters generate lift and thrust through one or more powered rotors, allowing them to hover, take off and land vertically. This ability to perform vertical flights gives helicopters unique operational advantages, particularly in search and rescue, medical evacuation, and operations in confined or remote areas where runways are not available. On the right, we have an image of a Boeing 737, representing fixed-wing aircraft. Fixed-wing aircraft generate lift through the forward motion of the aircraft, which causes air to flow around the wings, creating a pressure difference that lifts the plane up. Unlike rotary wing aircraft, fixed-wing planes are generally more efficient over long distances and can carry more passengers or cargo. During this course, we will make a specific focus on fixed-wing aircraft, including general aviation, commercial jetliners, and also military fixed-wing aircraft. In addition to hot air balloons, dirigibles, fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, I believe we also need to discuss drones and hybrid aircraft concepts. On the left, we see an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, commonly referred to as drones. UAVs are autonomously controlled aircraft that do not carry passengers and are increasingly being used in commercial, civilian, and also military applications. Their versatility allows for operations in environments that would be too dangerous or inaccessible for manned aircraft. Operations include surveillance, reconnaissance, delivery services, and many more. Military UAVs are integral to modern warfare, providing real-time intelligence, precision targeting, and reducing risks to human pilots. On the right, we have an example of a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or VTOL. The VTOL capability allows aircraft to operate in areas without runways, similar to helicopters, but with the added advantage of higher speed and long range, similar to that of fixed-wing aircraft. The aircraft shown can transition from vertical flight to horizontal flight by tilting its rotors. VTOL technology is crucial for military operations in remote or urban environments, as well as for future urban mobility solutions, where space is limited and quick, flexible deployment is required. Both UAVs and VTOLs represent significant advancements in aircraft types, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. In conclusion, we explored the evolution of aircraft types, starting with the first successful manned hot air balloon and the Gifford dirigible. We also examined modern aircraft innovations from helicopters, which excel in vertical takeoff, to fixed-wing aircraft like the Boeing 737, known for efficiency in carrying large loads over long distances. Finally, we explored the cutting-edge UAVs and VTOLs, expanding into modern aerospace technology.